Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for every need. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best starch spray for ironing heavy hold, the Oxford & Wells Ironing Starch. This non-aerosol, sustainable fabric spray is designed to give your clothes that crisp, smooth look while being eco-friendly and easy to use. If you're tired of dealing with sticky, flaking starch or aerosol sprays that damage the environment, this one's for you. Let's take a closer look at why this product should be your go-to for keeping your clothes perfectly ironed and wrinkle-free. First, let's talk about its unique formula. The Oxford & Wells Ironing Starch is non-polluting and made with sustainable ingredients, ensuring that you're not just taking care of your clothes but also doing your part for the planet. Unlike other starches, this spray doesn't leave behind any harmful chemicals or waste. It's an eco-conscious choice without compromising on performance. If you care about protecting your fabrics and the environment, this starch offers a win-win solution. One of the standout features of this spray is its wrinkle-reducing properties. We all know how hard it can be to iron out stubborn wrinkles, especially in heavier fabrics like cotton, linen, or denim. Oxford & Wells makes the job easier with a starch that keeps your garments looking smooth, fresh, and crisp. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or just want to look sharp for your day-to-day activities, this product ensures that your clothes stay wrinkle-free longer, giving you a polished appearance that lasts all day. Another big plus is its flawless application. With this starch, you don't have to worry about flakes, streaks, or spotting, which are common complaints with other starch sprays. The non-aerosol formula ensures a fine, even mist that spreads evenly across your fabric, leaving behind no visible residue. That means you get a clean, crisp finish every single time you iron, without the hassle of re-ironing clothes to remove streaks or spots. Now, let's talk about convenience. This large 128-ounce bottle is perfect for anyone who irons regularly. If you find yourself pressing clothes for the whole family or even doing laundry as part of a business, this generous size means you won't run out of starch quickly. It's a great value for the price, and the size ensures you'll have plenty to last through multiple ironing sessions, keeping all your clothing looking as good as new. The Oxford & Wells Ironing Starch is also incredibly easy to use. Just spray it on your fabric and iron as usual. The formula works on all types of fabrics, so you don't need to worry about it damaging or staining delicate materials. Plus, it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals, so it's safe for your clothes and skin. If you want a product that's simple, effective, and easy to apply, this is exactly what you need. Lastly, we can't forget how long this starch lasts. Whether you're ironing a shirt, a pair of pants, or even linen napkins, it creates a long-lasting hold that helps reduce wrinkles and keeps your clothes looking sharp throughout the day. The non-polluting nature of the starch is just an added bonus, ensuring that your clothes are protected without any harmful side effects to the environment. To sum up, the Oxford & Wells Ironing Starch is the perfect solution for anyone who wants crisp, wrinkle-free clothing with a strong hold. Its sustainable formula, easy application, and flawless finish make it an excellent choice for your ironing routine. Whether you're ironing heavy fabrics or just want your clothes to stay looking pristine, this product has you covered. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more great product recommendations.